Hello and welcome. Kim Alkstam here. We at Intel have now unleashed our brand new 11th Gen Core H series family codenamed Tiger Lake H. The 11th Gen H series processors and platform deliver industry-leading, beastly performance for gaming and creation in laptops. Packed with the brand new microarchitecture, platform upgrades, and delivering at scale, H-series processors are a true from the ground up enthusiast design. This family of processors features our new Willow Cove core architecture and will be available in Core i5, i7, and i9 versions, ranging from 6 to 8 cores with Turbo Boost up to 5 GHz on 2 cores, thanks to Intel Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0. This architecture allows us to see a 19% improvement in multi-threaded tasks. We are super excited to have our first overclockable 10 nanometer processor in our brand new Core i9 11980HK. The CPU architecture is only the beginning. We have an amazing platform to build on that offers a lot of flexibility in laptop designs and performance. The H-series family includes 20 lanes of PCIe Gen 4 directly attached to the CPU. These fast PCIe lanes provide a lot of options in designs, and they allow for the best connectivity to the latest discrete graphics in either by 16 or by 8 PCIe Gen 4 configurations. The additional lanes can be configured for multiple M.2, housing an array of PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSDs. In these configs using Intel Rapid Storage technology, you can boot directly from RAID 0 for extreme storage performance. By enabling RAID for boot, we can almost double the read-write speeds of SSD performance to further improve system speed and remove any storage bottlenecks on the lowest number of SSDs. And the platform connectivity is truly next-gen with support for Thunderbolt 4, Wi-Fi 6, and 6E. Finally, we're scaling production, so these processors will be shipping to a store near you starting this month. In fact, we have over 80 designs for consumers and professionals coming soon, with over 1 million plus units shipped to our OEM partners by Intel's launch. Now, let's take a minute to talk about pushing the boundaries of laptop performance. At Intel, we continue to drive innovation with our industry partners and influence feature build-out and new technologies to pair with our enthusiast processors. Co-engineering is a key effort between us and our OEM partners. Here I have a brand new laptop design from Alienware. This is one of their new X-series laptops, and these are innovation-first PC gaming masterpieces powered by our new H-series processors. It includes an Alienware exclusive Element 31 thermal interface material that delivers a decrease to overall thermal resistance. Alienware is also bringing their new patent-pending quad fan design. These fans are designed to move extensive airflow to change the air pressure throughout the chassis, managing the heat in a new way, enabling a high level of performance in a very thin design. And of course, these are architected on our combined power of our new H processors and NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 30 series graphics. We work with our partners on efforts across the platform, from high refresh displays to new and exciting cooling solutions like Alienware's. But this is just one example of how we are pushing the boundaries of design. We enable these innovations to create the absolute best experience for consumers. We have worked with all OEMs, including Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, Lenovo, MSI, Alienware, and Razer, to deliver beastly gaming capabilities in all possible form factors. With our partners, we make display bezels thinner, drive higher refresh rates on laptop displays, and support and scale new innovations like thin and light gaming and 16-inch display sizes. We continue to drive the capabilities of our internal graphics with native AV1 decode and AI capabilities for creators and gamers alike. Finally, we work with our partners like NVIDIA to establish support for resizable bar as the standard for CPU access of the fastest graphics memory that comes with today's discrete graphics cards. Plus, Intel integrated graphics on our new H processors feature our newest media engines, which will improve your media handling and streaming workflow performance. Now, let's talk about some of the technologies supported by our new H-series processors. We continue to drive overclocking capability in our HK series mobile CPUs and push the limits of performance. Using our Intel Extreme Tuning Utility, or XTU, we can support many overclocking features typically not seen in laptops, giving you desktop caliber performance and experiences in laptop form factors. And if you don't want to get down into all the knobs that you can dial in with XTU, we have Intel Speed Optimizer support as well. Our new H family sports Intel Turbo Boost Max 3.0 technology on select SKUs. Known internally as Favored Core Turbo, this feature identifies the two fastest cores and gives them additional turbo capability. 11th Gen Intel Core H series unleashes the beast. This is the world's best gaming laptop processor. And it's packed to the brim with features for gamers. The Core i9-11980HK was designed for performance, and we have an amazing list of features. This processor is fully unlocked. It includes performance enhancements with the Intel XTU, Speed Optimizer, and Turbo Boost Max 3.0. Let's take a look at performance in games. All of the systems in our testing included NVIDIA's latest RTX 30 series graphics. The amazing results on this slide shows the monster gaming performance you can expect with H series processors. This is a comparison of our performance against our previous 10th Gen H series processors. Our new H series beats our previous generation top bin CPU by double digits. This increases the lead in gaming we had with 10th Gen even further over our competition. Here you see AMD's Ryzen 9 5900HX processor in the Lenovo Legion R9000X. We're comparing that against a pre-production MSI GP76 with the new Intel Core i9-11980HK. Each of these are configured with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 3080 graphics and have similar graphics power envelopes. As you can see, we beat the toughest competition with these amazing numbers. But we can't forget our value-priced Core i5s. So let's take a look at our Core i5, the 11400H, versus the new ASUS ROG G14 with an AMD Ryzen 9 5900HS. This is AMD's top CPU in the thin gaming category. Both of these systems are using NVIDIA's RTX 3060 graphics, and the G14 supplies 80 watts to the RTX 3060, while the Intel sample unit supplies 65 watts to the same GPU, but it's paired with our new Core i5 11400. When we say thin gaming, Intel means thin. The Intel i5-based system measures in at under 16.5 millimeters thin. The G14, by contrast, is about 18 millimeters in the front and 20 millimeters in the back. As you can see, our Core i5 helps a thinner laptop with lower powered GPU to deliver on-par performance or better in gaming. This i5 will give you amazing performance on systems with great price points. We're going to take you into the lab to see for yourself a gaming showcase on our new H processor.
Hi, I'm Nick Blair from the Enthusiast Laptop and Innovation team. I am really excited to get to show you how amazing our new 11th Gen Core H series will be for gamers. Here we have a 3-year-old platform paired with top-of-the-line, at the time, i9-8950HK and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080. This 54mm gaming platform includes not one, but 2 power supplies to provide the pinnacle of 8th Gen gaming performance. Next to it, we have the 11th Gen H series platform with the brand new i9-11980HK paired with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080. This laptop packs all this performance into a platform nearly half as thick as its 8th Gen counterpart, coming in at 26mm and 5 pounds less and only 1 power supply. Now, let's look at how performance has improved on these Halo platforms. Here we are playing Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order. We have set both games to high settings and 4K resolution. Even as we get into battle, you can see the new 11th Gen H series delivers the performance needed to maintain a smooth 60 FPS immersive experience, while the 8th Gen platform can't even reach 60 FPS. It's amazing how gaming laptops have evolved in just 3 generations, with both CPUs and GPUs making leaps in performance benefits, all while continuing to innovate to drive gaming laptops into thinner and thinner designs. Here we have new systems from Asus, Gigabyte, Lenovo, Acer, Razer, Alienware, and HP. 11th Gen H series continues to provide a variety of designs, allowing gamers to choose the one that's right for them. And you will now find new 11th Gen H series in platforms as thin as 16.14mm. This includes a 45-watt H series paired with the latest in third-party graphics. Intel's 11th Gen H series platforms bring a ton of great new features to the mobile space, and we cannot wait for gamers and enthusiasts to get their hands on these new systems. Thank you.
Gaming happens with Intel. We work closely with many software developers to ensure games and game engines are optimized for the best performance. Here's just a sampling of many games that offer a superior experience on Intel processors and how the top game developers are delivering amazing gameplay with the H series products.
Working with Intel on things like the latest Intel processor have really helped us to offer that really high-end experience for those really hardcore players that are into it.
We've come a long way in our partnership so far. We've had very similar goals in terms of pushing technology forward.
We also learned so much getting the help of the Intel engineers, making sure that the game will work nicely and take advantage of all the new metal that you bring into the market.
In order to have that really precise, smooth control and beautiful graphics, it's going to take a lot of processing power.
I think what gamers will see is more of what that partnership can deliver that makes a real difference to them. So we're always excited to see what Intel is bringing out next, amplifying our messages around tech, pushing the envelope of with Intel out to a wider and wider audience each time.
Now let's talk about creators. Many of the features that makes this new processor great for gaming also make it amazing for creation. While most laptops built for the H family will be paired with discrete graphics, creators will love the new features of our 32EU integrated graphics utilizing the XE architecture. Paired with Intel QuickSync Video, it's capable of hardware AV1 decode and easily handles 4K media. It includes AI enhancements like DL Boost and VNNI that use artificial intelligence to reduce tedious tasks and do cool things like making an object disappear from a video without manually editing every single frame. Creators will also benefit from PCIe Gen 4 and the high-speed storage it offers. And of course, Thunderbolt 4, to easily connect to multiple monitors and peripherals needed and loved by creators. Let's take a look at creator performance in these new 11th Gen platforms. Here we see the performance of our new i9H with a few common creator workloads against our previous 10th Gen H processor. For example, in the Adobe After Effects workflow, the Core i9-11980HK based system completes the task of freezing frames and applying content-aware fill to a 4K video clip 20% faster than a 10th Gen Core i9H based system, saving the user about 45 seconds. And the new H-series based system performs 22% better than its 10th Gen counterpart when we use Photoshop elements to colorize vintage black and white photos. And here, you can see creator performance against the AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX in the ASUS ROG Strix Scar 15. Built with creators in mind, our new H-series offers amazing double-digit performance improvements in creator and productivity workloads. Let's check out a cool creator workflow showcase.
Hey y'all, my name is Amber Gulst and I'm the Creator Segment Innovation Manager working on the future of mobile computing here at Intel. And I'm pretty stoked to show y'all a quick sneak peek today at our newest 11th Gen Core H-series mobile platform. Now, game design used to be a workflow relegated to desktops, and then of course to muscle books. But now, laptops that are thin and light have become powerful enough to handle the workload of the development tools so you can run high compute programs like Autodesk's Maya and Epic's Unreal simultaneously. Now, let's get full nerd mode. I have my Wacom Cintiq Pro 24-inch. I have another 4K display, both of these are 4K. And I have them connected to my laptop all through one itty bitty little Thunderbolt cable. One Thunderbolt cable, people! Pretty sweet. Also, this laptop, to be noted, is 4.6 pounds, so you don't need the muscles, and it's sub 18 millimeters, which, for those of us who don't automatically know what sub 18 millimeters looks like, it's just under the height of a penny. Now, let's have a little bit of fun animating. I'm gonna come over here and I've got my, Maya set up. I've got my little dude man, tumble around my scene here. And what we're gonna do is I'll show you what the animation looks like right now. So as you can see, playing simultaneously through the live link, I can see what's happening in game. And then we're gonna keyframe over, we're gonna come over here. He's fighting off people and he's about to take off. And this is where I want to get my thrusters going. So I'm gonna ramp those bad boys up. Oh, and all right, let's check out that animation. Comes in, raining binary, oh my God, pew pew. All this was made possible by Intel's 11th Gen Core H-series mobile platform. Cheers to desktop power in a mobile form factor. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the metaverse.
See what our partners have been able to do with H-series processors. So in summary, the new 11th Gen Core H processors feature a new core microarchitecture with 19% gen-on-gen multi-threaded application improvements and the world's fastest single-threaded performance in a laptop. The result, the world's best gaming laptop processor. They will have the newest platform features like 20 lanes of PCIe Gen 4 for the fastest storage and graphics. And they will be available with over 80 new enthusiast designs coming this quarter. We can't wait for you to sink your claws into these amazing systems and unleash the beast.